Hey, what's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Have you ever connected your phone to your laptop and found out that you can't transfer any files? Now, I just connected this phone to the laptop, and you can see that there's this little diamond on the top left corner. Now, if you don't see the little diamond on the top left corner, I would recommend unplugging your phone and then replugging it back in just to see if it shows up, just like I did here. And you can see that it is showing up right there. The file is showing that there's nothing there, right? And you know that that's not true. You know you have stuff that you want to transfer over from the phone to the laptop. So right now, the way you solve this problem, you're gonna go ahead and go back to your phone, drag down, and you'll see that you have a charge notice and then you have USB for charging phone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap for other options, and then you'll leave it on this device. And what you want to do if you're looking to transfer any kind of files, you want to switch over to transferring files, Android Auto. I'll click that. But before I do that, I'll just talk about the other stuff, the other options that you have. Right now you see that it's stuck on charging phone only. You can use this as USB tethering, so you can actually share your internet connection with another machine. The MIDI option has to do with sound and music, or if I just wanted to transfer images, I could do that. But I think just to make things real simple, if I'm transferring files from my phone to my computer, I'm going to click this one, and then there you go. And then now I have the ability to pull files off my computer. You can see that it's showing right here. I can click that, and then I can pull files off of my phone to my computer. If you have any questions or comments, leave it on down below. Again, this is for a Galaxy S25 Plus. I'm not sure how other phones work, but maybe this will work for you.